Yo, what's going on, everybody? Yo, hold on, let's do that again. Yo, what's going on, everybody? I think that's gonna be my new intro. Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Tim. Welcome back to another episode, which is actually the last episode of this series of how to take better images. It has to come to this, but the good news is that this doesn't have to be the last. Actually, this is the first season of many seasons. Hopefully, depending on how you guys react to these videos, I will make another season of how to take better images and make it more advanced. Pretty much created this series just for those who either entering the photography realm or those who just want to know what is hot currently in the trends of photography. Now, I'm not saying I hold all those trendy things, but I am still shooting in 2020. And so, you know, there are people who might have started years ago before the digital age and want to get back into photography. So I hope the videos that I posted here on the series help everybody out. If so, please drop that like, subscribe, and leave a comment and share it with your friends. You know, this is free content. You know, I just want to give back, and hopefully this does reach a lot of people who actually want to start in photography or maybe just a hobby. Who knows? I don't know. I'm just here to help you. This episode, we're going to be talking about the client experience. Now, I'm going to share how I pretty much go about handling the client experience. So let's start from the beginning, the top, the intro, meaning getting the inquiry. So once you get the inquiry from the client, typically what happens is that you either email them, text them, however you do it, but make sure that you do it in a timely manner, because if you wait 24 hours or more, it could really shape the overall experience already. They can feel like you do not value their time. They think that you have more to do with, so you have less to do with them. It's just a lot of things that people can come up in their minds about you because you reply so slow. So as soon as you get an inquiry, hit them back ASAP. No, 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 and wait time. Do not wait, do not wait, do not wait. All right, so another thing would be to just be mindful of everybody's situation. So if you do have a client that hits you up and they say, oh man, I was going to put a deposit, but you know, my landlord this and bills that and children this, be okay with it. Do not let them feel that they still have to be pressured to put a deposit down because of life situations. If you come to them and say, hey, I totally understand, I get you, no problem, let's talk about this later, they will not only be happy, but they will refer people to you because of your accommodation to them. They don't feel that you just want a sale. They don't feel like another number. They actually feel like you care and you're friend to friend. Now y'all friends. So friends are friend, be friends and make friends, right? If that makes sense. But basically, they just want to have that relationship where they can trust you enough to be understandable. So don't feel attacked or take things personal. Rather be supportive, because trust me, it goes a long way. And the reason why I did this, I don't know why. Anyway, next up we have something on the lines of communication. Let's all face it, we all miscommunicate sometimes. So be in communication with your clients. Make sure that they are up to date with everything. As you watch my earlier videos, we talked about posing and locations and the vision. So make sure you talk to them. Make sure you say, hey, I checked out this, I checked out that. Maybe we should switch it because the weather this. Maybe we can go with this outfit. So don't be so hands-on to the point where they feel like you're micromanaging them. Rather just be over communicative, but lightly. So make sure you always stay in touch with them, but not in a way where it makes them uncomfortable. By that, I mean, you're texting them every day, every hour. Don't do that. That's weird. All right. And I would say, let's see here. Or, most likely just make sure that you, on the day of the shoot, make sure that when you do show up, you offer water to them. You know what I'm saying? So if they at the shoot and let's say, or before the shoot, just tell them, hey, bring a pair of slippers because, we're going to be walking on mountains. Hey, bring some water, bring some props for the shoot. Hey, you can bring your dog, you can bring your children, whatever the case may be that's suitable for the actual shoot. Let them know that it's okay. Sometimes I tell them, bring music. If you have an MP3 player, bring some music. I'm okay with that. So just be as flexible and open as possible and reminding them that you're human, you're fun, you're not just some guy with a camera or a woman with a camera that's just boring. Let them know like, hey, we could turn up, you know what I'm saying? Bring the music, we're gonna have some fun, you know what I'm saying? So that goes a long way. With that being said, let's see what other stuff that we got here. So basically on the location, Just look out for their best interest. If you show up there early and there's a parking spot available, stand at the parking spot. I mean, if it helps, like, I don't know if you can buy cones, but maybe buy a cone, put a cone at a lot, and when they come, you already got them a parking spot. I mean, just little things like that, they will remember and be thankful because you are out thinking them and making sure that they are covered in all things possible. So take that and run with it because it's going to be a good benefit, especially towards review and referrals. And I would say lastly will be mostly like, let's see, like after the shoot, right? So let's say you finish the session, you finish the editing process. Now you want to deliver it. Now you can deliver it through Google, Dropbox, or you can do like, what is it? It's called Dropbox, the other program. Anyway, you can do Google Drive or Dropbox or WeTransfer or some type of random link that shows all the images, or you can actually present them something like Pixieset. Now, this video is not sponsored by Pixieset, by the way, so do not, no, but I actually am a Pixieset user, and there are others out there that you can research, but basically what this does is you can put all your images on there, and pretty much all you gotta do is just send them the link, and they'll be able to view their images in a beautiful displayed organized gallery. They have their name, they have a password you can go into. It's like a really cool experience to go through. So, and what's cool about it, you can actually have third-party companies ship out prints to them. So you can actually make money by having them choose a print. The company that you choose will print it, distribute it, and there you go. You got some more extra cash in your wallet here. Now, other than that, I mean, that's pretty much the gist of it. Just be yourself. Don't try to be like some other person or this other photographer. Be yourself. So if you're not that energetic, goofy person, that's okay. Just be chill. Like, people like chill people. I'm more energetic, yeah. And I also do want to say this. Speaking of energetic, I noticed that my eyes been a little bit, so I'm not tired. I just look that way. I don't know why, but yeah. Anyway, so with that being said, I really hope that this whole entire series helps you all. And I hope this video helps you all. Just be a cool person, be honest, be authentic, and trust me, your client's gonna love it. So don't be afraid to be yourself, all right? So if anything, this wraps up this first, I wanna say series or maybe season. So yeah, the first series of the overall series in terms of how to take better images. So let me know in the comments how you all enjoyed it. Did it help you? Did you take some advice and went with it? If you did, please, please, please tag me on Instagram. You can follow me at TDM Productions, and I'll leave a link in the description of my Instagram, my website. Just tag me saying, hey, Tim, I tried out this thing that you mentioned. Here are the results. And I'll be so happy to see it. Like, trust me, I'll be super stoked to see that. But yeah, so let me know what you all think about this whole series and what else do you want to learn within it? If it's posing, what particular part do you want to learn in posing? If it's location, if it's gear, whatever the case may be, let me know. And I would love to make more future videos on content related to those questions. So with that being said, I will see you all again soon because I got more coming. All right, so subscribe if you haven't, share this video, like it, and that's about it. So thank you for taking this journey with me. See you soon on the next one. All right, y'all. Peace.